Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineer Loksewa YouTube channel. This video is especially for those civil engineer related students which are working construction site and running for college student. The topic are 50 plus basic knowledge for civil engineering related part 2 and MCQ and objective question and answer. The 51 number, the curing period of RCC work is 28 days. 28 days continue curing and after give strength is more and properly give strength. No curing properly 28 days, no give properly strength. The curing period of RCC work is 28 days properly curing and after give strength is nicely. 52 number, the how many mm in one shoot? The one shoot is equal to how many mm? The one shoot is equal to 3.17 mm. The one shoot is equal to 3.17 mm. The 53 is what are different grade of cement? How many grade of cement? The cement grade are 3 types: 33 grade, 43 grades and 53 grades. 33, 43 and 53. Mostly our construction site usually in 43 grades of cement mostly use 43 grade of cement. Next, 44. The full name of CTD, cold twisted deformed bar. The number of 55. The thickness are plasters applied. The undercoat plaster are generally applied 12 mm thick for wall, 8 mm for ceiling. 56 number, the height of brick work done in a day 2. The height of brick work done in a day to 1 meter. 1 day only doing brick work 1 meter only. This is only 5 meters. 5 inches wall. Only 5 inch wall doing 1 day in 1 meter only do. 10 inches wall, something 1.5 meter, 2 meters doing 1 day in 2 meters. The 57, the joint between bricks should not be more than the one brick and another brick between the mortar joint, no more than 10 mm, 1 centimeter, half inch. The joint between bricks should not be more than half inch or 1 centimeter or 10 mm. One brick and another brick between mortar usually 10 mm only. Not more than, not less than. This is a properly refer is a more strength give brickwork, wall. 58 number, what is the average weight of brick? The average weight of brick are 3 to 3.5 kg. How to calculate 3.5 kg or 3 kg? The 1 meter cube is equal to 500 number of bricks. The formula are weight of brick earth upon number of brick 1800 kg by 500 is divided is equal to 3.6 kg. 1 brick of weight 3.6 kg. The 59 are what is the weight of 1 meter cube of brick earth? The weight of 1 meter cube of brick earth is 1800 kg. The weight of 1 meter cube of brick earth 1800 kg. The next 60 number, what is the lintel thickness? What is the lintel thickness? The lintel thickness is 5 centimeter or 150 mm. This is the minimum thickness of lintel, no maximum. This is the minimum thickness of lintels, 150 mm. The 61 number, the lintel is provided at 2.4 meter in case of brick wall. The brick wall doing So in case of brick wall, the lintel is provided 2.4 meters only. The lintel is provided at 2.4 meter in case of brick wall. The next questions are 62. The next questions 62. The minimum diameter of bars used in slab. The minimum diameter of bar used in slab are 8 mm. 8 mm less diameter bar not used slab. This is the only minimum diameter bar used in slab. The minimum diameter bar used in slab are 8 mm. The maximum diameter bar used in slab are 1/8 into thickness of slab. But this is the minimum diameter bar used in slab. The minimum diameter bar used in slab are 8 mm use, not less than use. This is the minimum diameter bar. Next, the 63. The minimum diameter bar used in column. The minimum diameter bar used in column are 12 mm. This is the column figure. You see properly the square column. This is a square column. The minimum diameter bar used in column are 12 mm, no less than 90 mm, 6 mm, no only use. Only minimum diameter bar used in column are 12 mm. 64. The minimum diameter of bar in dowel bars. The minimum diameter of bar are used in dowels 12 mm. What is the dowels bar? The dowel bar is a short, round, smooth steel rod used to provide a mechanical connection between slab without resting horizontal joint movement. These bar are mainly used in joints, plain concrete pavement to carry the additional stress and load induced due to the moving vehicles. The vehicles moving, the dowel bar is a short, rounded, smooth bar, steel rod used to provide. In this steel rod used to provide, this is a mechanical connection between slab without mechanical connection with slab. The 65 numbers are the maximum diameter bar used in slab. The maximum diameter bar used in slab are 1/8 into thickness of slab as per Indian standard 456 to 2000s. Maximum diameter reinforcing bar shall not exceed 1/8 of the total thickness of slab. If slab thickness is 150 mm, the maximum diameter bar is equal to 150/8 is equal to 18.75, but lumps of 20 mm. The maximum diameter bar used in slab are 20 mm only use. 20 mm. The maximum diameter bar used only 20 mm in slab. This is the maximum diameter bar. The 66. The maximum shear spacing in slab. The casting time, casting before time, the shear spacing. The maximum shear spacing in slab. The maximum shear spacing in slab are 1 meter. 1 meter and gap again 1 meter, 1 meter to use shear spacing in slab. What is shear spacing? A shear bar is a support bar placed and tied in between the upper and lower reinforcement case to maintain the gap and stability of reinforcement as they are shown what bent of like or chair and provided a seating arrangement for the upper. 67. What is the cube size of concrete? The cube size of concrete is 15 into 15 into 50 centimeter, but converted into mm 150 into 150 into 150 mm. This is the cube size of concrete. The next are 68. The minimum number of bar used in a square column. Suppose any column are a square shape. The minimum number of bar used in a square column. The minimum diameter bar used in a square column are 4. The 4 number of bar used in a square column. This figure is a square column. You see minimum, no less 4 number of diameter bar used in column with in a square column only. The next are 69. The minimum number of bar used in circular column. Suppose the minimum die of bar used. The sixth number of bar used in circular column. The minimum die of bar used in circular column are 6 number of bar used in circular columns. See, this is a spiral. Ring are also a spiral name. The 70 numbers are the 1 yard is equal to how many feet? The 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. The 1 yard is equal to how many feet? The 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. $71 numbers. How many liter in 1 gallon? The 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters. How many fluids once in a gallon of water? The USA base measurement 1 fluid gallon is 128 ounces. 1 use fluid gallons 3.78 liters. 1 liter. The concrete cube is filled in. The concrete cube is filled in 3 layers. 3 layers fill concrete cube. No one layer. This is a figure. So 150 mm into 150 mm into 150 mm. This is the cube cover size. Concrete cube cover size is 150 into 150 into 150 mm. This is the concrete cube covers. 73. The slump cone is filled in. How many layer in fill slump cone? The slump cone is filled in 4 layer. 4 layer properly fill slump cone. Slump cone are usually workability test. Workability test are used in slump cone. Next, 74. What is the minimum and maximum thickness of shear walls? The minimum thickness of shear wall are 150 mm. The minimum thickness of shear wall are 150 mm and maximum thickness of shear wall are 400 mm. You see figure. Shear wall provided a structural support that resists lateral forces such as earthquake or heavy wind. This wall prevent the building. Next, 75 numbers. The minimum curing periods. First, 7 days normal weather condition. Normal weather condition casting any columns, walls. The normal weather condition curing period are 7 days and 10 days dry and hot weather condition. Suppose other weather condition hot and dry. Suppose any or casting, slab casting. 76. The minimum hook length are 9D or 10D. The hook length minimum 9D or 10D. This is the hook. The hook angles are bent 135 degree bend. This is a hooks. This is a rings. But next are 77. The short columns fill in. The short column fill are crossing. The short column fills are crossing and long columns fill in buckling. What is the buckling and crossing? Next video I come. And next video I discusses crossing, what is buckling, what is long column, what is a short column, all discussed in another video. Next are 78. The long column fell in. The long column fell in buckling. The type of buckling columns, short column. When the cross section large as compared to the height, it fell due to crossing of column materials. The long column slender columns is equal to when the cross sectional is small as compared to its height. It fell due to buckling. Buckling, it is a long column. Long column fell in buckling. The next are 79. The intermediate columns can fail in. The intermediate columns can fail both in buckling and crossing. The intermediate column, the fail are buckling and crossing both. The next 80 numbers. What is the full name of SE, MKS, FPS? SE means surveying engineering, MKS meter kilogram second, FPS foot pound second. What is the full name of SE, MKS and FPS? SE means surveying engineering, MKS means meter kilogram second, FPS means foot pound second. Next 81. The basic principle of surveying. The basic principle of surveying: work from hull to part and working from hull to part same. This is the basic principle of surveying. So what is the work from hull to the part? In next video I discuss this. The next question are 82. 1 hectare is equal to how many meter square? The 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. The next are 83. The pi radian is equal to how many degree? The pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. The pi radian is equal to 180 degree. The next 84. 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? The 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is a civilization related, no time related. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Next 85. What is the use of arrow? It is the use of intermediate station. The die is 4 mm. The arrow is our intermediate station. The arrow die are 4 mm. See, this is the arrow. The arrow is in surveying, chain surveying, doing use arrow. The use of pegs. Peg help in marking or locating the station or point on the ground. The different color codes can be given to different pegs for increasing the surveying rates. Example, using red colored peg for marking boundaries and using. Next 87. What is the chain surveying? The chain surveying is the branch of surveying in which only linear measurements are done and no angular measurements are taken. It's called chain surveying. Only linear measurement do, angular measurement no do. This is a chain survey. Angular measurement means degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, no measure. Only linear measurement. Linear measurement means 10 feet, 5 meter, 10 meters. This is a linear measurement. Thanks for watching.